Hello everybody, today I'm at Bugis MRT and go walk to the Malay Heritage Center in the Kampong Gelam or Kampong Gram area. The word Gelam and Gram is used interchangeably. So let's check it out, man. It was raining heavy just now, but I'm glad it cleared up. What do we have here, man? The first medical group. First hospital. Very atas. Expensive private treatment, you know. I went for the scanning of a health screening a couple of years ago. It's not bad, but then the nurse they use the blood, and then I got some bruise. Nice tourist bus. And then the building in front is called the Landmark Shopping Complex. A less well-known mall nowadays. Basically, they sell some Muslim Malay clothes and stuff. So you can see the famous Sultan Mall from here already. Wow! And guess what? Today is Sunday. Lots of beautiful shop houses right here. Hey, there's a mall here. Kobe Village. Wow, I can see the colorful. That's the Muscat Street, man. And art street filled with the murals of the Muslim community. Many clothes, Alibaba that sell. Wow, this is like the little Malay of Singapore, man. Be reaching soon. Let's go in from here. Muscat Street. Lots of tourists, man. Look at the wall mirrors. So this way the Malay Heritage Center, man, guys. Oh, I see a fair there, Muslim fair, and like a pasar malam right now. That's exciting. We explore the Malay Heritage Center first, and after the whole journey, right? After the tour, we'll come out and look at the food. They call Lalang Plaza. Oh, on the left side is a Heritage Center. Very bustling now. No, this one is not the main entrance. The yellow one, the building in front. Permanent gallery. For Singaporeans and PR is free entry. But for foreigners, $10 entry fee. But I think for today until 2 weeks later, it's free entry for all. I'll check it out, man. Right here, with the aircon already.